The diagram above shows a sketch of part of the curve C with the equation y equals x cubed minus 10x squared plus kx, where k is a constant. The point P on the curve is a maximum turning point. Given that the x-coordinate of P is 2, we need to show that k is 28. Well, given that P is a maximum turning point, that's making me think that the gradient is equal to 0 at that point. So if I differentiate my function, I get 3x squared minus 20x plus k. And I know that's going to equal to 0 at P. And we're told that point P has got the x-coordinate 2. So if I substitute 2 here and here, that's going to allow me to work out what k is. So 12 minus 40 plus k equals 0. So k equals 28, which was what we needed to show. So let's move on to part B of this question, where we know now that k is 28. Right, the line through P parallel to the x-axis cuts the y-axis at point N. The region R bounded by C, the y-axis, and Pn is shown shaded in the diagram above. Part B, use calculus to find the exact area of R. So we need to find the shaded region here. Well, point P, we know that's got x-coordinate 2, and we can work out its y-coordinate, because if I substitute 2 into my function here, so 2 cubed minus 10 times 2 squared plus 28 times 2, I find that the y-coordinate is 24. Now, that's going to be useful because now I could work out the area of this yellow rectangle. The base of the rectangle is just 2. The height of the rectangle is going to be 24. So therefore the area of that yellow rectangle is going to be 2 times 24. So area of rectangle times 24, which is 48. But obviously I don't want the area of the rectangle, I only want the shaded area. So I now want to subtract the area that's underneath this curve, which I can find with integration. So if I integrate between 0 and 2, my x cubed minus 10x squared plus 28x that's going to tell me that yellow area underneath the curve. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to add 1 to the power, so the 3 becomes a 4, divide by the new power, add 1 to the power, divide by the new power, add 1 to the power, divide by the new power, and simplify where we can. The 28 divided by 2 is 14, so we can simplify that a little bit. Right, let's substitute our upper limit in. So 1/4 times 2 to the power 4 minus 10 over 3 times 2 to the power 3 plus 14 times 2 squared. When I substitute 0 into all of these terms, I will get 0. And working that out, I find that that is equal to 100 over 3. So that's the yellow area. So therefore I can now say that the area of R is going to be the rectangle, which was 48, take away the area underneath the curve, and that gives me 44/3 as the area of R.